Well, here we are in beautiful Calhoun County, Illinois, just south of Hamburg. We're standing on a 70-acre piece that we've just got listed here. Has a great 3-bed, 2-bath manufactured home, very clean inside and out, meticulously taken care of. Several outbuildings around us. You've got approximately 20 acres of tillable, which is currently in hay production, as you can see behind me. You've the balances in timber. Excellent, excellent hunting with top-notch trophy potential with proven history on this farm. As you see behind me, you can see the lookout up on the hill here, and it is absolutely breathtaking up there. You can see 5 miles into Missouri. You can see parts of the Mississippi River. It is absolutely stunning. Probably one of the best, if not the best, views in all of Calhoun County. If you'd like to check out this property for yourself or schedule your very own private showing, feel free to give me a call. I'm Ryan Bland. You can reach me at 618-535-5611.